Hello and welcome to birthday vlog. It is Avery Gale. Avery, can you say hi? It's her birthday on Wednesday, so we're having a little birthday party. Got our little balloon arch right here, and I will double back to yesterday making it. Welcome to Avery's birthday bonanza. Currently, me and my friend are making a we're making a balloon arch right now, so I got a bunch of balloons. I got some white balloons, and then we had some pink ones, and then I put some white ones over some pink ones like this. Got some other pink ones, got some shiny ones, and I have some weights. We have hand pumps right now. We're currently pumping them all up. And then right here, to make sure all these balloons are regulation size. Oh, that one's not regulation size. We'll ignore that. But I've been cutting a hole into a cardboard box to make sure that all the balloons can shove through the hole, so they're all relatively the same size. So see you in 110 balloons. So here we are. All the balloons are getting paired. Avery Gale is wearing a nice wet cloth on her head because it's so hot and very confused by what's happening. And then with the balloon pairings, all I'm doing is just taking the balloons and I'm like twisting them around each other. Also, ignore all the Emma hairs on the balloons. Oh boy. We're just testing out the setup for tomorrow. Looking good. We haven't got it quite in arch form yet, but just testing to make sure Avery's little rainbow cushion goes well with the rainbow arch display balloon arch thing. What do you think, Avery? Do you like it? Whoa! Welcome back. We're back to birthday party number 1. We're having 2 birthday parties because we live in Vancouver and we have friends here in Vancouver, so we're gonna do a birthday party here. And then we're gonna have a family birthday party in Ryland's hometown, and that will be the day before her birthday. Anyways, we're in the middle of a heat wave right now, so I put some makeup on my face and I am 100% convinced it will melt off my face before we even get to taking pictures. We're gonna take pictures right away, and then Avery's gonna hang out in her diaper for the rest of her party because it's like 35 degrees Celsius inside our apartment. It's like 87, 89 degrees Fahrenheit for any Americans. But yeah, we're gonna do our birthday party stuff. Avery got some birthday cards, and this is her present from our friend Brooke. So dang cute. It's a little strawberry bikini in baby size. I'm sorry, what? These little booby pads. So cute. Balloon arch is ready to be set up. I got her little IKEA high chair with her little rainbow cushions. She's got her little birthday dress courtesy of Auntie Chia. The only problem is we ordered this in March in 9 to 12, and we're like, well, she's usually small for her size, so 9 to 12 months will be a great size, and it's huge. So I'm probably gonna have to safety pin her into it, and then it comes with a little matching bow. Balloon arch isn't done. I left 15 smaller balloons that I have a smaller hole on this side that I'm gonna place some small balloons, get some more like diversity going in these. Okay, Ryland. Hi. Yeah, almost done. Got some little pink plates and napkins for some snacks, and of course hand sanitizer to be COVID safe. We're birthday party ready. To handle this heat wave, I've put Avery's birthday dress in the freezer to cool down. Mom hack. Avery, look at your birthday present from Auntie Chia. It's a giant giraffe. Sophia. It's Sophia, the big girl version of your chew toy, Sophie. I don't know about that. That thing's kind of way bigger than me. Avery Gale, you better love your mom and Auntie Chia, because we're dying right now. It's so hot. That's so cute. Dun, da, da, da. So now we're taking all our little extras and we're tying them to the main string here to make sure it looks nice and plump.
Not having a baby, but building a balloon arch, that makes you feel like a real mom.
Being in charge of birthday festivities, that's like real mom duties. Oh no! Oh no! Get back here and corral!
It looks so good! Oh my gosh!
need to like wash this 5 times before I give it back to you. Her Royal Highness is arriving in her throne. Hi, Princess. Where's your bow? Here's the final product. Can't believe we made that. Brooke does not want to be in the shot. Avery, play with it. Whoa! We got Avery all set up in her birthday outfit. Hey, baby. Hi, you're so sweet. I hate this bow, Mom. Get it off my head. Got our present from Auntie Chia, some giraffes, and a cute little present. You got your jelly shoes on. Got some snacks going. Yay! Get it, Avery, get it! Yay! What is that?
She just wants to know the price.
Show everyone your new shoes, Avery. Look at your butterfly sneakers for walking. Yep, these taste expensive too. Look at that.
What are you doing?
Ah, there it is.
Now we're like here.
But like here you have
Birthday party squad.
Wow, look at you! Got some cupcake in your chair.
Uncle Trevor printed us a Polaroid and it's so cute. Okay, we're here for birthday party number 2 for Avery because that's how we roll. This is a family birthday party. We're at his parents' house right now. A lot of his grandparents are there. My parents are gonna come. And we are currently still in the middle of a heat wave. As you can probably tell, my face is just covered in sweat. It's like a DIY dewy look. Hi! It's birthday girl. We're a little unsure about all the people here. Hi! And we have the balloon arch that Zaya and her cousin Taylor set up. Zaya's my sister-in-law. Got some just yellow ones, and then we got double ones here. So I have yellow, and then we put that inside of a white one for more of a muted look, and then some white ones. Ryland's dad had some piping that we were able to tape them all to. And then there's like a big window in front of here, so I just bought some cheap tablecloths to like kind of put in front of there for a white background. Jima's got bubbles. Well, look who's here.
Just stand by and Well, I was just
Yeah, the weather was perfect and like the setting was beautiful. It was right on kids.
Wow, look at these bubbles Jima's got for you. That's so cool.
Oh, sure.
Hey. Oh, you just want the card, hey?
Oh,
We can read
that's
the card
nice.
together, or, oh, the envelope.
Oh, yeah. There's photo pass your dog now.
I don't want the lousy present. I'll just take the wrapping paper, actually. Thank you.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, what does it say?
My vote was out of the water.
What a cool
the end.
present. Unwrap it. Yay,
There
good
you go.
job. Tastes expensive. Oh. Okay, we're done with that. Let's not eat it. Oh.
All right, this one's a heavy one, Avery.
Okay, can we take this away before it gets destroyed? Thank you.
Okay, top.
I want a battery toy that already has batteries inside.
You don't know it, but I have dog food.
That's why I'm here, she said.
That's how your mommy drives.
Happy birthday, dear Avery. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Hey, that was funny. She knows everybody's watching.
Avery.
Squirt and bit me.
Splash
You
her.
have cake in your eyeball.
Avery. Hi. Hey.
Hi, baby. That's so fun. It's a few days later. I realized we forgot to wrap up the birthday video because we were too busy with our birthday festivities. So Avery, you are now a year and 3 days old. You say bye-bye. We're gonna stay here on camera until you wave bye-bye.
Say bye.
Yeah, okay, bye.